Hi guys, welcome back to the Bliss Drug. My name is Shreya. So today I'm gonna film a video named as what I eat in a day. Now this is not something which I regularly eat because hey, I am a human being. I switch a lot. Also there are two reasons because of which I'm filming this video. First being I actually wanted to eat healthy, okay? But I am a human being like you, and what we usually do is आज से नहीं कल से खाएंगे. We always think like that, you know. Not from today we can hog up to the food, and from tomorrow we are definitely going to eat healthy, and that tomorrow never comes. Literally that tomorrow never comes. So I thought I'm just gonna pick up the camera, cook and eat. So in that way even I'm gonna eat healthy, and secondly maybe you can get inspired as well. So these are the possible reasons because of which I'm filming this video. So yeah, I've speaked a lot, and now just go into the video and have a look. Just peep into my breakfast first. I'm gonna have some milk and oats. Now there's a twist to it. Pour some milk in an empty bowl like way I'm doing. Then add some oats, like few spoons of oats. And now give it a good stir and microwave it for a minute or two. And also chilled it. So after chilling it for 5 minutes, this is how it looks like. You can also add some additional sugar, but I think these fruits give a perfect sugary effect to it and also a colorful, vibrant, so it's a happy morning. And especially I like mango so much. It has so much sweetness, so I usually avoid sugar with mango. So yeah, also going to add some kiwis. And at last some almonds for the crunchiness, some proteins. And this is so cool. It looks so beautiful. It's perfect for Tumblr pictures as well. And yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast. For lunch, I'm gonna have normal sabji and chapati like a normal Indian girl. I'm a very good girl, by the way. So yeah, I've preheated some oil, some cumin seeds into it, and gonna add some turmeric powder. And now the twist. That's a tomato puree, and it's very strong. So this is normal tomato puree, not too much about it. And yeah, let it cook for 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna give again a quick stir to it. And now I'm gonna add some MTR sabji masala. You can add any of them, whatever you like, whichever flavor you like. This is very flexible. So yeah, giving it a good stir again. Now I'm gonna add some water because that's too thick for a gravy. So yeah. So now I'm gonna add again some milk and malai mixture. Now you must be thinking this is not healthy, right? But yeah, I think this malai and milk both are very good for your skin and bones. So yeah, you should have that. And give it a good stir. That was a rhyming thing. Now I'm gonna add normal chili powder, some dhania powder, and give it a good stir. Now some salt, swat anusar. That's how people call it. And now I'm gonna add the main ingredient, that's tofu. So tofu is normal soya bean, or you can call it, and it's pretty soaked in water, nothing too much about it, and just giving it a pretty good mix. And this is how it looks like after 5 minutes. It's pretty cool. Some tofu ki sabji, some banana bhanja, and roti and curd. Curds is very good for your skin and for your body, and you should have it with your lunch. And yeah, we'll see you at dinner. Now we have uttapas. So this is a mixture of suji, dahi, water and salt, and added some my favorite veggies and nothing so special. Also my camera is completely ruined because of oil vapors. So yeah, excuse the bad lighting. And that's my mom patting all over. I'm gonna put some oil. Now again, this is not that healthy, but yeah, oil, ghee, malai, these are very good for your skin and your bones. Let it cook for a minute and turn it. And this is the most difficult part. And yeah, my tomato is not in favor of me right now. And yeah, this is how it looks like, and this is normal South Indian powdered chutney which I like to have with uttapas. And yeah, that's about it. So that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section if you like these kind of videos. I love to do that because it's benefit for both of us. And yeah, that's it. Until we meet, goodbye.